Hello?
Hello, this is Hotel's automatic confirmation service. Our records indicate that
Daniel,
is scheduled to stay with us on.
July 1st through July 5th.
If this is correct, please say yes. If this is incorrect, please say no.
Yes.
I'm sorry, we did not receive a response. Please say yes if your reservation is correct, or no if it is incorrect.
Yes.
You answered no.
What?
Your reservation has been canceled.
No. Hello?
Our records indicate that your reservation was non-refundable. Therefore, you have chosen to forfeit your deposit. If this is correct,
Hello?
please say
Hello?
yes. If this is not correct, please say no.
What? No!
You have officially canceled your reservation.
No!
Thank you very much for
Hello?
booking with us, and if you'd like to book a Hotels vacation in the future, please simply log on to our website, hotels.com.
Hello?
I can gladly help you book another trip via our automated system.
Representative. Hello?
I'm sorry, I did not understand your request.
Operator, hello?
If you would like to book a different hotel stay with us, please say reservation. If you would like to speak to a representative, just say representative.
Representative.
You chose reservation.
No!
I can gladly help you book another trip. Please say the name of the city you would like to visit.
Operator, representative, agent, operator, operator!
You have chosen
Abondo, Colombia.
Oh my God! No! Operator!
I'm sorry, currently we don't have any hotels in.
Abondo, Colombia.
Good! I need one there! I need an operator!
If you'd like to find the nearest hotel to,
Abondo, Colombia.
please say yes. If you'd like to exit out of this reservation, please say no.
No! 1,000 times no!
Wonderful. We have many locations near.
Abondo, Colombia.
I would love to help you rebook.
Shoot me!
I'm sorry. I seem to be having trouble understanding the language you're speaking.
No!
Would you like me to speak Spanish?
No!
You have chosen Espanol as your official language.
I have it. No,
Thank you for allowing me to assist you better.
This automated system is a piece of...
Well, I think you're a douchebag.
What are you talking about?
You just called me a piece of and I responded by saying that you are a
Okay,
douchebag.
whoa. Stop! What is going on?
This is a phone tap.
Are you kidding me? Oh my God!
Your girlfriend Emma set you up.
Oh my God! So wait, my vacation is still on?
I think so, yeah. The one to Colombia? For sure. I was able to book that for you.